Hey folks, how y'all doing? Oh, in the land of grills. We're gonna cook on a Weber tonight. You're saying, oh, hang on, Tom, which one? Because you have several Webers, don't you? And yes, I do. Tell you what, keep on watching and I'll show you which one. Yeah, I know, you read the description. Gonna cook it on the Weber Master Touch Premium, folks. And I've had a lot of requests since I did some burgers on the stainless steel diffuser plate. I've had a couple of people ask, hey, can you do smash burgers on that too? And there's only one way to find out, folks, and that's to try it. So tell you what, let's get her fired up. We're gonna use a charcoal chimney and get it good and hot, dump it in our ring there. Put this on top, leave the vents wide open, close it down, get things good and hot, open it up, smash us some burgers, folks. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be delicious. All right, folks, you wanna get a charcoal chimney going quick, you can get yourself one of these barbecue dragons. Supercharged in no time. All right, that was literally less than 10 minutes. It was probably closer to 7 minutes. We got a 3/4 of a chimney totally going here. People always ask, you know, you got the hinge on the Weber Performer, on Weber Performer, the Weber Master Touch Premium, and how easy does it go on and off? And I'll tell you what, folks, let me get that dumped in there and then we'll show you how easy it is. All right, so to get the lid back on, you've got two handles on this Weber Master Touch Premium. You got the one in the front, there's nothing in the middle, and then you got this at the end. And to install it, put it back on or take it off, all you gotta do is take and fit it into this slot just like that, and then just tighten up this thumb screw. You're done, 10 seconds. So it's actually pretty simple, folks. All right, folks, before we go any further, I want to give a shout out here to an up-and-coming YouTube channel. These two young ladies, Maddie and Kiki, they are out of Canada, and they are like the barbecue sensations of Canada. They're like Weber ambassadors, too, in Canada. And they just started their own YouTube channel. You can see they got 821 subscribers. They're going to be at 1 million before you know it. But these two young ladies, they do some pretty cool cooks. So I'll leave a link down below. Check them out, Maddie and Kiki, on YouTube. All right, things are looking pretty nice, getting nice and hot here. I did put about a dozen more charcoal on there. Just want to make sure I get a good bed going. And we'll go ahead and put on our stainless steel diffuser plate and let this thing get all nice and preheated up. And bottom vent is wide open. Top vent is wide open. We're going to close this down, get as much heat into that plate as possible. I'll tell you what, let's go get some burgers ready for smashing. All right, there they are. That's a pound of 80/20 right there. Got 6 of them ready to go. All right, we're getting ready to smash here, folks. We're going to spray a little canola oil on there first. Give that a second to get hot, and then we'll start smashing. All right, to start smashing, we got our Lodge smasher, some parchment paper, and we're just gonna put, I'll tell you what, I've never done this before, so I'm just gonna do one at a time here. Let it get good and hot. Put our parchment paper down. Give it a little bit and give you a look-see. All right, been about a minute, folks. Give her a flip. Oh, look at that. Put that off to the side. Get another one going here. Let that go about a minute, and I got a couple more to go here. Give you a look-see. All right, and there's all 6 right there. You got the 2 that already been smashed off to the side, and the other 4 right there. Gonna be delicious, folks. So, oh man, stay tuned. 6 smash burgers on there on the Weber diffuser plate. I know Weber did not intend this to be a griddle, but gosh darn it, look at that. It works. And we'll give you a look-see once it's plated up, folks. Oh man, look at that. Got our smash burgers. I got some homemade dill pickles from my wife's girlfriend, Jeanette, thank you for that. It's got onions in it. And then secret stadium sauce. And we're doing this on flatbread. And you're saying, oh my gosh, Tom, what the heck? And this is just awesome. Huh. Took too big of a bite. Tom Horseman on YouTube, that's awesome. Can you do smash burgers on the Weber Master Touch Premium using the diffuser plate? Yes, you can. Worked out today. Thumbs up, leave a comment as always, folks. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tom Horseman on YouTube. And as always, appreciate you watching.